This is the brief on future-proofing your SAP compliance architecture. A successful go-live just isn't enough anymore with all these constant regulatory shifts. But completely separating your core data from your compliance logic is going to save you literally a decade of IT headaches. First, we have to think way past day one. Don't just design SAP to barely survive its launch. We need it ready for future global mandates and AI. It's kind of like wiring a brand new house. You don't just wire it for today's appliances, you wire for tomorrow's tech. But to actually achieve this level of future-proofing, we've got to break a really bad habit. Second, avoid the absolute trap of point-to-point integration. The biggest mistake architects make is embedding tax logic directly inside SAP for every new country mandate. Now, you might wonder, is it really that bad to just hard code a quick bridge for one new tax law? Well, yes. Doing that 50 times across different countries creates an impossible compounding maintenance nightmare. So if embedding that logic is a disaster, how do we actually decouple it? Finally, you use a three-layer architecture. Layer 1 extracts standard canonical data out of SAP, keeping your core system beautifully clean. Layer 2 is an external orchestration platform where all those country-specific tax rules actually live. And Layer 3 handles the actual connections and error logging with government tax authorities. Think of it exactly like a universal translator. SAP speaks one standard language, the middle layer translates it into the specific legal format, and the final layer delivers the message. By moving compliance logic entirely out of SAP into a dedicated three-layer architecture, you transform constant global regulatory changes from an expensive IT crisis into a super simple configuration update.